What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cole with Money, and I have another video for you guys. And we're gonna be coding the lockdown command for your chat. So just in case someone wanna spam and you wanna lock down your chat. Before I get into this video, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please, I'm trying to hit 50 subs. Come on, y'all. We can do it, y'all. Alright, so I'm not gonna talk much. Let's get straight into it. Let's code. So your first thing, everybody know client command. You do that. Then commands has permission. And we're gonna do manage. We're gonna do manage channels. Okay. Manage channel. Then we're gonna do equal true. Okay. Boom. That's your first line. Okay. All right. Now to code the command, lockdown. Okay. We're gonna do lockdown. Sorry, somebody takes my phone. Sorry, guys. Okay. CTX lockdown. Then await, so the bot can lock down your chats. CTX channel. Okay. Then we're gonna do set underscore permission. Okay. Permissions. We gonna open that up. CTX glide default. Always gotta have the default. Underscore row comma send send message. I put this underscore. Okay, underscore send message equal false. Okay. Boom. Then you go to your next line for the lockdown command. CTX send. Open this up. CTX channel that mention, so it can mention the channel when it locked down. Plus is now in lockdown. And lockdown. Okay. Put a dot. And we go close it. Okay. To unlock the chat, we're gonna code another one. Another client. Y'all know. Client dot command. And I'm doing this video today, and I'm gonna drop the video to the game today for you guys. Okay. Command has permissions. So basically, or y'all can do it this way, okay? Y'all can do it this way. We can delete this. And if y'all want to do it more easier, you can copy this code. Copy it. Paste it, okay? And y'all can change this. Change that. Let me see. Let's change this to unlock. Then we're gonna go right here. We're gonna make this true. Okay. Easy. True. Then we can go down here to the chat has been unlocked. That easy, guys. Alright, let's test the code, guys. That easy. That easy, guys. Let's test it. Bring on my Discord. Okay. This code right here. Let's do this. Bring that up. Oh no, I had it right. Okay. Bring this up. Okay. See, the bot is offline. We're gonna turn the bot online. Start Python. The bot is now online. I'm waiting for the bot is now online. Okay, before we do the command, we're gonna look at send messages. It's default right now, okay? There's nothing. Okay. Okay, let's do lockdown. 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 Let me see. Let me see. Has permissions underscore channels true. Huh. That's weird. Let me see. ATS set channel permissions. ATS default role. Send messages false. Okay. Oh, send messages false. Okay. Okay, now that's restarted. Sorry guys, I had one mistake in the code. Bot is not online. Okay, let's test it again. Lockdown. General chat is now on lockdown. Okay, we're gonna go to edit channel, permissions. They can't send messages. No one can send messages. Okay, that easy. That easy. Let's go to logs. Hold on. Send message decline. To unlock the chat, I'm gonna do dot unlock. The general chat has been unlocked. Okay, we're gonna look at channels again. They can send messages now. The coding is that easy, y'all. Before I end this video, it was just a little quick video for the lockdown command for you guys. For any of y'all that need a bot that protects your server from getting nuked, use protection. It's a very good bot. I'm gonna be making a tutorial how to use protection. Okay, my bot is in 342 servers. Okay, I'm trying to get my users up. I'm trying to get the servers up. Okay, it's a very good bot to use. And I'm gonna show y'all the coding again. I'm gonna do it again, y'all. Lock. Oh, I gotta put lockdown. Sorry. Lockdown to lock down the chat. Unlock to unlock it. That easy, y'all. Well, let me stop the code. Before I get off, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the YouTube. It's Code with Money. Guys, I'm signing out. Love you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe.